Hey, let him stop y'all.
I have stopped like.
Oh, go stop him right now then. Go stop him. Pull him over here. Hey, come here. Police want to stop you.
His car moved steady, nothing risky. Then came flashing lights. They mentioned tint, then talked about the plate. But the plate sat clear and firm. Stories changed, eyes narrowed. He asked questions. They answered with force. This wasn't about the car. This was about control.
Just want to record this officer right here and this officer right here. Just want to make sure. That's his badge number, okay. Just want to record this. Okay, now go ahead. So you want me to get my thing? Hold on. Let me
get your license.
Both of y'all look. I want y'all to see. I ain't trying to get shot. Hold on.
Man.
I'm like, man, y'all worried about tents? I mean, all these cars right here got no tents. Right here.
You mind handing it over to me?
Oh, okay. Can I hand you my stuff out of there? I don't want you to hand you my whole wallet. I got stuff in there.
Just the driver's license.
Okay. Oh, I thought you were talking about something else. All right, I'm trying to hold this and record this at the same time. I have two officers stopping me for no reason, I guess because I'm a black guy with tents. So I'm in a scraper. They just assume I got guns, I got bombs, and I'm gonna blow up Hercules, which I give a damn about Hercules. I'm just doing a DoorDash. Man, I'm like, y'all pulling me up. Y'all, it's an accident back there. Y'all worried about me. Y'all, they worried about me. Yeah, believe me, man, I'm probably more legit than y'all chief. I'm probably more legit than your chief, because he probably corrupt as outdoors. I'm just pissed off, man, because y'all put me up for nothing. I mean, I ain't even break no laws. I mean, at least have a reason. I ran a red light. I ran a stop sign. I did something wrong. You put me over for tents. It's a million cars driving out here full of tents. And y'all want to stop me because I'm in a scraper and I got tents.
But it wasn't just for the tents. It's also
It's for what?
there's no front license plate.
Man, my thing, I had an accident in this car a while back, and I'm trying to get my hood, all my grill and stuff fixed. I got full coverage insurance. I got registration. I'm legit. Never had a DUI. Probably more legit than y'all could ever be. Can you hurry up, man, so I can go, man? Because this is pissing me off. Just letting I'm being recorded, so y'all see. He's running a check on me. When he come out, it's gonna come out good. Hopefully, they both will say, Mr. Robinson, we apologize for harassing you. You're free to go, and this and that. Didn't break no laws, didn't do nothing wrong. I just got to record this because I'm not trying to be a fatality and get caught up and get shot for no reason, for reaching, because I got tents on my car. It's a million people driving around with tents, but they stopped me because I'm coming through this prejudiced ass city called Hercules when I used to work in Hercules, right there at the Round Table Pizza, delivering to Hercules. Go over here to Paradise. I guarantee you'll probably y'all worried about me. I'm trying to get the hell out of Hercules, man. I'm trying to get on the freeway and go back home. This is one officer right here. Good. And I'm just making sure that's the other officer. Y'all see both officers. Okay, they want to make sure they see everything.
Right on.
These two officers, now the one they stopped me. Why? I don't know. I don't know what's taking so long for the check.
License plate, like we said, and then your window
Come on, man.
dark. So just so you know, every car in California for the vehicle code, you got to have a front license plate mounted on the front. So you can contact DMV and get a replacement plate if you lost the other plate.
Somebody stole my plate or something, because I know I had a license. Hold on, let me, can I get in the seat? Can I get out?
Go ahead.
Because I know I had a license plate in my front. I don't know how I don't got a license plate. I got a license plate. What are you talking about?
Oh shit.
Oh my God. You see that? He said I didn't have a license plate, y'all. Y'all see that?
Right.
This officer right here said I didn't have a license plate.
My bad.
And you see right there, I got a license plate. Oh, come on, man. All these cars right here got no tents. That truck got tents. That car right there, look. Don't pull them over. They got tents. They got tents. Look at it. Stop them. Hey, let them stop y'all.
I have stopped like.
Oh, go stop him right now then. Go stop him. Pull him over here. Hey, come here. Police want to stop you. They ain't got no tents. Come on, I can show you another car, no tents. Look, see all these cars y'all see? No tents. And then he want to lie and say I didn't have no license plate.
I made a mistake. I'm sorry about that.
Say it again.
I said I made a mistake.
You made a mistake about what?
About the front plate, but you still have the window tint.
Oh, come on, man. I just asked me to roll now. Once I said roll, play that. Before you make a mistake next time, make sure you stop me, walk around to the front of my car, and look. Now, this officer's being cool, but you can't make mistakes. People die because of mistakes. Y'all could have thought a mistake and pulled guns on me and blew me away. He said I didn't have no license plate. That's my license plate. But because it's... All right, I appreciate it.
All right?
All right.
All right.
The officers are now leaving right now. They made a mistake. Said I didn't have no license plate. I got a license plate. Made a mistake. Could have killed me because of a mistake. Made me so mad. Said that he made a mistake. I didn't have no front license plate. I get out, I got a front license plate. I got tents in my car. That's how people get killed for no reason. But you see what? I didn't get no ticket and they hauled ass when I got to recording them.
The stop wrapped up, but the tension lingered. The plate still untouched, the facts unchanged. They left without a word, without a reason. He stood in the quiet, confused, recorded, remembered. The camera caught what words couldn't hide. Justice never stepped out of the car. Here is another case. Lights off, wrong lane, no sirens. A regular driver sees it all and dares to speak up. But instead of admitting fault, the officer flips the script. Now it's the citizen getting pulled over, accused and threatened, not for breaking the law, but for questioning those who did. This wasn't about safety. This was about silencing.
Yes, I am.
Right, you need to tell me that. And identify yourself, please.
I'm PC Golden from Bishopsgate Police Station.
Right, what's your number?
452 CP.
Right, thank you. Your colleague?
My colleague, which one?
The one that just took my licence.
208. Pardon?
What's his name?
PC Jones.
All right.
Do you think it's acceptable to use that language?
Do you think it's acceptable to drive down the wrong way of the road without your lights on?
Yes, we do.
Did you have your lights on?
Don't have to have
No, you do have. You're not exempt from the law. You're the police. You uphold the law, but you're not exempt from the law. You can't do whatever you want whenever you feel like it.
Policing purpose we can, sir.
But what police and purpose were you driving down the wrong way down the road? What was the police purpose? You were driving the wrong way down the road.
If you actually let me speak.
Did you have your lights on?
Don't have to have the
You
lights
do
on,
need to
sir.
have your lights on.
Okay, sir. Do you want to step out the
No, I'm not stepping out of the vehicle. You've got no need to take me out of the vehicle. I've given you my licence. I'm not being aggressive. I will comply with any other order, but you do not need me to step outside the vehicle. You try to pull me over for a public order offence, which you cannot be the complainant of. Simple as that. No, you cannot. You're not a member of the public. You're under police jurisdiction. You cannot be the complainant. If you've got a member of the public
Doesn't matter, sir.
under the public order, then therefore you can pull me over.
State a case in court that police officer can be a victim of the public order.
Out with your duties.
Pardon?
Out with your duties. You're working just now. So do what you need to do, yeah, and we'll go about our way.
Do you have an issue with police, sir?
Yeah, I do.
What's your issue with police?
I don't like you.
Why?
Because
Can
I
ask
don't
why?
like you. What?
Can I ask why you don't
Because
like
you do things like that. If I'd done that, you'd have pulled me over for it as well.
But can I ask you something? Though?
What?
If that was your dad that we were looking for, I don't know you, so before I offend you or anything, if that was your dad or a family member who we were looking for, would you want us to have done what we just did?
No.
You wouldn't.
No, because you could have injured a pedestrian. You could have killed a cyclist. You could have hit another car. So no,
First of all,
you should have had your lights on. Well, you should have
You're in
done.
a very large.
You're driving down the wrong side of a busy road.
No, sir.
Yeah, you should
There's
have.
no oncoming traffic
You should
towards
have.
us.
No,
If you have an issue
sir,
with
about
the
it.
form of driving, sir, then you're free to make a complaint. But you cannot use that language.
What language?
It's completely unacceptable.
What language?
You called my colleague a fucking prick.
Did I?
Yes, you did.
I think you've misunderstood what I've said because of the Scottish accent. I think to me now, you're racially stereotyping me. Yeah, 100%. Can you?
Yes, I think that you were very angry. The fact that we delayed you by by
I don't care, mate. I've got all day. I'm not bothered.
And you've taken offence.
I'll sit here all day. I don't care. Honestly, I don't care. If it means I get charged with you, it's fine. Honestly, not my problem. So, go about your business. I'll have my licence back when you finish doing your
Police
checks.
are still doing their checks. We'll
That's
take
cool.
as long as it's
Yeah, not a problem. Do your thing.
required.
What's your name? What's your name and number? Identify yourself. Where are you based? City of London, please, yeah?
City of London,
Last
yeah.
time you lads pulled me over, I had you for 2 hours.
Pardon?
And do you know what happened? You've done the walk of shame. It was funny. I had you for 2 hours in the city. You pulled me over because you was bored. Nothing better to do with your time.
No, certainly, as I said to you, the reason why we pulled you over is because of what you said.
Public order. Right, okay. That's what you're saying. What's your name? Identify yourself.
My name?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's TBS Nolan.
TBS, no, what's your number?
You've got my details obviously on here, mate.
What's that? I can't
You
read.
understand obviously, I think it's been explained to you obviously the reason why we've done the stop.
Right?
Yeah.
What, because you were driving down the wrong way of a road?
Sorry?
You were driving down the wrong way of a busy road, down the wrong direction, on the other side of the road, without your lights on.
Well, we'll beg to differ.
And a member of the public has challenged you on it, and you don't like being challenged by members of the public, so you've got to come down here and try and flex.
So you're being stopped at the moment, obviously, given the fact obviously the verbal abuse that you shouted at
What
the
verbal
vehicle,
abuse?
Okay, and obviously under 163 Road Traffic Act.
Well, hold
okay?
on a minute. 163 Road Traffic Act. What did you pull me over for? Public order effect. Public order.
I said to you, yes, I said to you, we require you to stop under 163 of the road traffic
Right,
act.
and I stopped,
You're allowed to
yeah.
constable uniform, stop any vehicle
Right,
on the road.
right, that's fine. I've stopped. I've given you my licence.
The reason why we've asked you, we've instructed you to pull over under
Yeah.
the Road Traffic Act was because of the offence that you committed.
Sort the public order effect offence. Right, who made that complaint?
Sorry?
Who made the
Well,
complaint?
it's been witnessed by us.
Right, you can't make public order offence complaints.
So there's your
Don't take
licence.
advice. Jog on. See you later.
A simple question turned into a police standoff. Badge over accountability, ego over truth. They broke the rules but made him the suspect. If criticism equals public disorder, then what's left of public rights? The law should protect us from abuse, not handed a uniform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.